2, 3.
The following program is brought to you in living color on NBC.
Alright, we're gonna need one of these today, because this tutorial is gonna take me a while to film, but it's not gonna take you guys a long time to watch, so you guys get the good side of this. So a lot of you have requested that I share my color grading process with you, and believe it or not, if you already haven't read the title, that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get into it. So when it comes to doing your color grade for the overall video, the first thing we need to look at is what is the purpose of the video? Is it to push an emotion, to sell a product, or just share day-to-day life, such as a vlog? So today, for our example, we're gonna go through one of my vlogs, well actually just 2 pieces of footage from vlog number 3. If you haven't seen it already, be sure to check it out. It's when I go in a super fast car with one of my clients. It's also the first behind the scenes I have shared on this YouTube channel. And just quickly, let's just touch base on the software we'll be using today. I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019 release. Alongside of that, I'll be using Film Convert Pro. It's an amazing plugin for Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, you name it, it's there. It's a super amazing plugin. You guys should check it out. There is a link in the description to download it if you'd like to try it or buy it. But hey, I'm not being sponsored by them. Just want to put that out there. All right, so first things first, we're going to create an adjustment layer and we're going to stretch that across our entire sequence. This is where we're going to be loading our overall color grade. So the first thing I'm going to add to this adjustment layer is Film Convert Pro. I punch in the camera I'm using, but since I use the G7X Mark II from Canon for my vlogs, it's just, you know, too cool for them to even have. So I have to use the default camera. I then select FJ8543VD as my film stock, and then making the film stock 35mm full frame. I then keep softness at 0%, film color at 50%, and curves at 100%, and occasionally I'll add grain at 10%, and I then don't touch the rest of the settings and leave them at default. I then move into the Lumetri tab on Premiere Pro. I then scroll down to curves and I make the RGB curves look like this, the hue versus saturation curves look like this, and then the hue versus hue look like this. I can't explain what these curves do. The best thing you can do to actually learn them is just to fiddle about and mess about with them. However, I just thought I'd share how my curves look just so you guys can sort of see how I'm getting my color. Alright, so now we are done. We've got our overall color grade looking a heck load better than it did just out of the camera. It's a process and a half, but it gets the job done. And as you can see, I don't use LUTs. Even though LUTs would make the process a lot simpler, I'm not a fan of them. You just don't have the same amount of control you do when you just do it all on Lumetri and Film Convert. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed this. Go check out the vlog number 3. It's been out for a while. And then go check out vlog number 4 and 1 and 2 and yeah, every other vlog. Yeah, I'm just rambling on. All right, I'll see you guys later.